Hey, I'm Candace, and today I have this barbecue auger motor replacement sent to me from Keycci to check out. So this is a 2.0 RPM motor, and it is going to be compatible with your Pit Boss, your Camp Chef wood pellet grills, and Traeger barbecues. So it has come really well packaged. Take it out and look at it. So this is supposed to be resistant to really high temperatures, and you are supposed to be able to put it in with install by just taking out one screw and then tightening it. And here are what it comes with. Got a screw here, so that was in the package here, but it looks like they've done a really good job crafting this. And then here's the connection. So if you're looking for a replacement for your barbecue and need a 2.0 RPM and you have Traeger, Pit Boss, or Camp Chef wood pellet barbecue grills, I would recommend considering this one by Keycci.